Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube restricted mode on your iPhone. Restricted mode is a feature designed to filter out mature content and provide a safer viewing experience, especially for younger users. However, you might want to disable it to access all content available on YouTube. Let's dive into how you can do this quickly and easily. First, let's understand what restricted mode does. Restricted mode filters mature content and hides comments on YouTube videos. It's a user-activated feature, meaning you can turn it on or off at any time. This setting is device-specific, so if you have it enabled on your iPhone, it won't affect your other devices like your computer or iPad. It's a useful parental control tool, but sometimes you may find it too restrictive. To disable restricted mode on your iPhone, start by opening the YouTube app. Once the app is open, tap on your account icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page where you can access various settings. On your account page, scroll down and tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled General and tap on it. In the General settings, you will find a toggle switch for restricted mode. If restricted mode is currently enabled, the toggle will be switched on. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once you've disabled restricted mode, you'll be able to access all videos on YouTube, including those with potentially mature content. It's important to note that while restricted mode is helpful, it may not always be 100% accurate in filtering content. So, if you prefer a more open browsing experience, turning off this feature will be beneficial. If you ever need to enable restricted mode again, you can follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. This flexibility allows you to customize your YouTube experience based on your current needs. And that's it. You've successfully disabled YouTube restricted mode on your iPhone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.